Some cars are not just machines, they're memories frozen in metal. Today, we're looking at a true classic, a car that carries the soul of the past on the outside, but hides a completely different story on the inside. From the exterior, it's pure vintage heritage. But the moment you step inside, everything changes. This is an old-school legend, reborn with a fully modern interior. At first glance, this car takes you straight back to the golden era of automotive design. Long hood, clean body lines, and a timeless silhouette that refuses to age. The restoration stays loyal to the original look, no unnecessary changes, no over-design. Every curve tells a story of a time when cars were built with personality. It's not just old, it's classic. And that classic presence instantly separates it from modern cookie-cutter vehicles. This project started as a forgotten machine, worn interior, outdated technology, and years of silence. But instead of turning it into just another restored showpiece, the goal was different. Keep the outside original. Transform the inside into something completely modern. The idea was simple: respect the past, but drive into the future. And this is where everything changes. Step inside, and the vintage era disappears instantly. Premium modern seats replace the old worn upholstery, reshaped for comfort and long drives. A fully digital instrument cluster now sits behind the steering wheel, blending classic design with modern information. Soft ambient lighting flows through the cabin, giving it a luxury lounge feel. The dashboard has been redesigned with a clean minimalist layout, large touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, and modern controls. Sound insulation upgrades make the cabin quieter than ever, while a premium audio system turns every drive into a private concert. This isn't just a modified interior, it's a complete transformation. Behind the wheel, you feel something rare. The charm of an old classic, combined with the comfort of a modern luxury car. The seating position is familiar, the visibility feels old school, but the technology around you makes every drive effortless. From navigation to music control, everything is modern, yet nothing feels out of place. This build isn't about speed, or showing off modifications. It's about balance. Keeping history alive, while adapting to the future. It's proof that you don't have to abandon the past, to enjoy modern comfort. Classic on the outside, modern on the inside, and timeless everywhere in between. This car shows what happens when tradition meets innovation. And honestly, this might be the perfect way to keep legends alive, not locked in garages, but reborn for today's roads.